What's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna unbox and review this gimbal. At the time of recording this video, this is #1 bestseller on Amazon and they offering $10 off coupon. Description stating that gimbal is for iPhone 12, 11 Pro Max as well. But right here, if you look at compatible devices, it says iPhone 12 Pro, not for Pro Max. I tested with iPhone Pro Max. It works just fine as long as it's not gonna have case. Case adds extra weight and then gimbal will not function properly. Gimbal came in this box. Let's open up the box and let's see what's inside. There's only a case in this box where the actual gimbal is. In the case, you get instructions, online service card, and a QR code for an app, and then gimbal itself, charging cord, and I think this is a little tripod stand that you put it on the bottom of the gimbal. And this is pretty much it. That's all you get with this gimbal. So right here on a gimbal, there is roll motor right here, and then there is a pen motor, and then right here we have 1/4-inch screw, one's here and one here as well. And right here on the handle, there is battery built in inside. Unfortunately, you cannot pull it out or replace it. Then there's a Bluetooth light right here, zoom focus slider. Then there's another mode indicator here, joystick right in the middle. And then mode button, you can switch between all the modes. On and off button right here. And then on this side, we have trigger, and then we have ports, USB port and micro USB for charging.